What's going on, guys? Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video. Hyper tough version, and it's not bad. USB-C, it's got a little light, but it has no torque control, and it also is really easy to just lose the power, and then, you have to use your hand. So I wanted to get something a little more controllable and a little more powerful, and this was really the best out there as far as the reviews went. Fantik NEX S1 Pro cordless screwdriver. This is going to come with a couple different heads, 16 commonly used 1/4-inch shank bits, and this is going to be a pretty awesome product here. So once again, it comes with the screwdriver, the case, user manual, and a USB-C charging cable. 6 nanometer max torque, 1/4-inch bit shank, 2000 mAh battery, 5 volt, 1 amp, so it's slow charging, coated stainless steel bits, and 3.7 voltage, rotation speed, 220 RPM, charging temperature, discharge temperature. Okay, Fantik, let's see what they got here. I've never gotten a product for them, so pretty exciting. Okay, you can see the packaging looks rather nice. Fantik S1 Pro, we already went through all that, so open this up. Okay, smell. We got a little baggie. Okay, and I'll show you what comes inside there. Book, and it says quick start guide, remove lid, blah 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 blah. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we got another bag. We'll take that out, and nothing else is on in there. Nice little squeak we got, and it says quick start guide, boom boom boom, quick start guide. Okay, by the way, guys, I have been making tech videos for 10 years now, so please follow me along my journey, and I appreciate your support, guys. Okay, and pretty nice. This does feel like plastic to me on the outside. So this side up, I'll show you a better look here. So this side up is a protective cover. Oh wow, there's some force there. So check this out. So okay, wow, that's interesting. All right, so it looks like there's some little screws and magnets in there to kind of pop it out. And this, okay, so that's how you kind of plug that in. That makes sense. Okay, and this will actually charge it up. And look at these bits, man, these are nice. You got a nice metal design of those bits, which is really going to help so you don't start stripping them. And they're not in there too hard, which is nice, so you can get them really easily. And look at these. They give you all these little hex ones, which are really handy if you're using camera equipment. So these are going to be really, really handy for me. I'm always looking for Allen keys, so that's going to be great. And let's take a look at the screwdriver itself. Now there's some length there, and we have 1, 2, and 3 for settings on the drill right there. 1, 2, 3, and boom, off. Okay, so that indeed turns it off. We've got a nice grip here. It's hard to tell because it's coated if it's metal or not. Oh wow, look at that. So the light looks pretty dim right now. Let's see if I can, okay. But I was trying to see if you hit the button, if you can do it by pressure, like a regular drill, but no. Nice little break you can feel. Okay, so oddly enough, you actually feel the most break when it's on one. And as you can see, you've got a little USB right there, and it says CLS 24400. Whatever that means. Okay, so let's put that back up in there, and then you just put that on there. Okay, so we're good to go. I'm sorry, I'm a little special. Really cool. I'm excited. What would be really cool is if you could also charge it in this thing, Fantik, if you see that. But I'll be pretty excited to give this thing a test, and make sure you follow me so you find out.